We, the team ID 206, are here to present our idea Given Gather. I'm Madhumita Ji, the team lead and an aspiring data scientist, along with my teammate.
I am Jananishri J, and I am passionate in learning towards new emerging technology by implementing it practically.
We club together as a team with a common goal that technology can engineer a better tomorrow.
Our idea sparked out from these statistics. Based on 2021 UNEP report, 68.8 million tons of food is getting wasted in India annually. And when these are made as a landfill, it contributes 6% of the total greenhouse gas emissions. Thus, it means that every human have sufficient food and thus we started feeding dustbins. But a 2022 study says that every fourth hungry person worldwide is an Indian. So, we have proposed a solution that connects people with surplus food and the needy. So, here we have attached some screenshots of our website. Now, let's see the working of our website.
After the registration process, if the user is a donor, he's supposed to fill in the details like the type of food to be donated, along with the contact details and the expiry date. Once this is completed, the entire contents will automatically be converted into a post which will be visible to all the recipients. Similarly, recipients like NGOs or care centers can make an awareness post stating their service or request and which will be visible to all the donors. When a donor would like to respond to the request raised or a recipient would like to take up the donation, they could click on that particular post in the respective pages and fill in the details and the message they would like to convey, and thus it will be notified to the donor or the recipient via an email. Thus, a connection is established. The next part of our idea is to reduce food waste dump, where we encourage the public to sell their food waste by making a similar post in our website, where its buyers can be nurseries or farmers who can convert their waste into manure, promoting organic farming. We have utilized Python Django framework for the backend along with SQLite3 database and the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the frontend. Our unique selling points include location optimization of users' posts by search bars, and also to provide more user experience, every registered user will receive an email whenever there is a new post. As our project is just a website, it's accessible to anybody anywhere and it's cost effective as most of its working is dynamic.
Our main target customers are people with the need of food like NGOs or old age centers, and on the other hand, a restaurant or wedding hall caterers and the general public who has excess food. And then for selling the food waste, the sellers can be a general public, and the buyers include nurseries or farmers who can utilize it to produce manure. So we have interacted with our target customers and attached some of the pictures that we have taken with them. And also we have added a detailed documentation about the field visit. We stand out from our competitors by building a direct producer consumer model with very less admin interference, along with the improved UI feature like notifications and search bar. But the perishability of the food and trustworthiness of the donor act as a major barrier.
Coming to our revenue model, we provide a freemium model for food donation by general public and the recipients to take up the provided donations. A minimum amount is charged for the food donation by the restaurants and wedding caterers since they can gain promotions, and also for selling and buying food waste. Since there is a social motive behind our project, we can gain fundings through corporate social responsibilities.
So, in the further stages, we are planning to implement a automatic deletion system based on expiry date and a subscription model along with the separate user profiles. And also, we'd like to integrate a delivery service if feasible and a quality checks to test the foods and a payment based on QR code. And to tell about our milestones, we have started our journey by identifying the problem and we have decided upon the tools and technologies that we are going to use. And then we moved on to prototyping phase. Now we are in a midway between prototyping and MVP. And after implementing our future plans, we would like to move towards MMP and further development based on feedbacks.
So the next time, whenever you throw away an edible food, just check out Give and Gather before doing it.